What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, math video. And in this video, we are going to be talking about ratio, specifically mathematical ratio. And there are two types of problems, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to deal with them. But before we jump into it, I'm going to say that what is a ratio, you might be asking? Well, a ratio is something that to describe amount of something, amount of not paint, but amount of balls, amount of objects. So without any further ado, let's get into the first question, and that is, we have a fruit pouch made out of orange juice and water. The orange juice and water is in ratio 2 to 5. So the orange juice is 2 to the 5 of water. And we need 14 liters. And the question is, how much liters of orange juice and water we need to make it? Well, it's really simple. So, firstly, we notice we have 2 and 5. So what I do, in my case, is that orange juice does the first dimension, right? So orange juice, O, is the 2 into 2 and 5. And the water is the 5. Here. So 2 to the 5. So oranges to the water. So now, first things first, what you need to do, look at the ratio 2 to 5 and add them up. Just literally just add them up, like 2 plus 5, that's 7. So now we have 7. Now what? We need 14 liters, right? So what we need to do, what you will notice also, that 14 is double 7, right? 7 times 2 is 14, right? So what you'll need to do is 14 divided by 7. By this, you'll get 1 part, like 1 part of for liter, and that's 2 liters basically. So this means that 1 part of this is 2. Like 2 parts to 5 parts is 14. Now we figured out 1 part. So 1, if there was 1, it would be 2 liters. Do you see what I'm getting with this? And now, since we know 1 part of these, all we need to do is 2 times the amount of parts we have. So 2 and 2 times 5. And this is really simple math. That's just 4, and this is just 10. And we know that O was 2, so we need 4 liters of orange juice. And since 5 was water, 10 liters of water. And 4 plus 10 is indeed 14. So that's our answer. So we need 4 liters of orange juice and 10 liters of water. That's our answer to the question. So all you need to do is to look at the ratio, add it up, no matter what numbers are they here. Then you'll need to divide by the amount you need. In our case, we need 14. Then what you get is the 1 part, and then you'll need to multiply the 1 part by the amount of you have in ratio. So this is the first type of ratio I know, and let's go into the second one. So this one, I don't know if it's harder or simpler, I cannot tell, but balls, red, green, and blue, and together there's 60, and we have them in ratio 3 to 4 to 5, and they're asking us how much of red, green, and balls we have, let's just say, in the bag, right? This works like the question above. We see 3, 4, and 5. So what do? Well, we need to find 1 part again and multiply it by those. We need to add them up like in the before. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 12. That's all of the ratio combined. And remember, together there's 60. So what we need to do is 60 over 12, and that's 5. And now we know that one part is 5. It's the same as the question before. And this is really easy. Since we know 3 to 4 to 5, all we need to do is, I'm going to write it here, is to do 3 times 5, 4 times 5, and 5 times 5. That's 15, 20, 25, and I got it in correct order. And now, if we add these, this is 45, and that is indeed 60. So our answer is we have 15 red balls, 20 green balls, and 25 blue balls. So it's really easy. It's the same as the one before. Instead of 2, we have 3. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and maybe subscribe so you won't miss out on anything. And yeah, thank you all and peace.